So sometimes you get to a job like this and it's completely snowing out. So what do? Well, I'm about 35 minutes away from home, so I'm gonna do it. It's outside only. We do this every 4 weeks. Here's my rule about, you know, doing stuff in bad weather. When it's rain, don't do it. But when it's snow, let me just show you. So, got some pretty good flakes here. Hope you guys can see them on the camera. It's not even hitting the glass. All right. So just like a good rule to go by is that, I mean, if you could see this from home, I probably wouldn't have come out here. Ice on the ground. But if you're already here and you're like far away from home, I would just do it. It is Martin Luther King Day, so the bank is closed. But sometimes you just got to do it, you know? So if you guys are ever in question of like, you know, should I do this job? The weather's bad. If it's rain, don't do it. If it's like this, because usually that rain's gonna be hitting the glass hard. But you got to think every 4 weeks, you know, for a business, like they just want to make it, keep it look good. So you doing it on a day when the weather's a little bit crappy is not going to be a horrible thing. And if they come back at you and say, hey, why were you here? Just give it to them for free. Why not? You know, you're just trying to keep them happy. There's no reason to fight it. This right here is like an $80 job. So, you know, what can you do? Sometimes you just got to bite the bullet and get it done. It is a pretty crappy day. But that's a quick tip for you. If you get to a place, the weather's bad as far as snowing like this, I would still do it. If the customer says no, don't do it. Whatever the customer says, don't fight them on it, especially with stuff like this. You could lose an account by telling them no, but we do this every 4 weeks. You know, the snow is not even getting the glass wet. Shoot, the glass looks clean right now and hasn't been clean in 4 weeks, you know, so it's all about just keeping it looking good all the time. So I would still clean it, do a good job, and that's it, guys. Have a good one. Talk to you later.